The lock symbol on your car's dashboard is an important indicator that tells you about your vehicle's security system status. Understanding what this symbol means can help you identify potential issues before they leave you stranded. There are several different types of lock symbols you might see. A solid lock icon typically means your security system is armed and active, protecting your vehicle from theft. A flashing lock symbol is more concerning. This usually indicates that the immobilizer system is preventing your engine from starting, often due to a key recognition problem. The immobilizer system is the heart of your car's security. It requires a properly programmed key or key fob to communicate with your vehicle's computer before allowing the engine to start. Modern vehicles use advanced security features, including smart key technology, biometric authentication, and even smartphone integration for keyless entry and starting. When the lock symbol appears on your dashboard, there are 5 main causes. The most common is a weak key fob battery, accounting for 35% of cases. Understanding these different lock symbols and their causes helps you quickly identify whether your car's security system is working properly or if there's an issue that needs attention. When the lock symbol appears on your dashboard, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the issue. First, check your key fob battery voltage. A healthy battery should read above 3 volts. Replace the battery if voltage is below this threshold. Next, verify that your key programming is correct. The transponder chip in your key must be properly coded to communicate with the vehicle's immobilizer system. Inspect all wiring connections for signs of corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Damaged wiring can disrupt communication between security system components. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for specific fault codes. Modern vehicles store detailed diagnostic information that can pinpoint the exact cause of security system issues. Regular maintenance prevents most security system issues. Follow these best practices to keep your system functioning properly. Watch for these early warning signs that indicate potential security system problems before they become major issues. When troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, professional repair services offer several solutions with varying costs depending on the complexity of the problem. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps and maintenance practices will help keep your vehicle's security system functioning properly and prevent costly repairs.